love came down on a silent night, peace wrapped up in a newborn cry, compassion breathed in stable air, a humble gift beyond compare. No crown of gold, no royal throne, just heaven's promise fully shown.
Forgiveness born before the dawn, a path of grace for us to walk on, understanding hand in hand, a better world begins to stand.
Not in words, but how we live, and how we love, and how we forgive.
If today we choose to start with open minds and open hearts, one small act, one gentle way can light the world this Christmas day.
Happy birthday, Jesus, we proclaim. The world is changed by your name.
Merry Christmas to all who believe. May your love be the gift that we give.
Peace be with all we cherish today. Peace on earth, let's lead the way. Love, peace, compassion start right here. A birthday wish that lasts all year.